Hello guys and welcome to the Footy Talks. In this video, we will be looking at every stadium in the La Liga, the Spanish First Division. So don't forget to drop a like, comment and share it with your friends. And without further ado, let's get this video started. Athletic Bilbao. The Los Leones play their home games at the 53,289 capacity Nuevo San Mames Stadium in Bilbao. It was opened in 2013, before which they played at the Estadio San Mames. Atletico Madrid. The Los Rojiblancos play their home games at the Wanda Metropolitano with a capacity of 68,456. It has its name for sponsorship deals. It was opened in 1994, but the club shifted from its historic Estadio Vicente Calderón in 2017. CA Osasuna. The Los Rojillos play their matches at the 18,750 capacity Arena El Sadar in Pamplona. It was opened in 1967. CD Leganés. The Los Peponeros play their matches at the 12,450 capacity arena named Estadio Municipal de Butarque. Opened in 1998, the Butarque is based in Leganés on the outskirts of Madrid. Celta Vigo. The Os Celestes play their matches at the Abanca Balaidos Stadium, which has its name due to sponsorship reasons. It has a capacity of 29,000 and was opened in the December of 1928. Deportivo Alaves. The El Glorioso play their matches at the 19,840-seater Mendizorroza Stadium in Vitoria-Gasteiz. It was opened for its first competitive fixture in 1924. FC Barcelona. The Catalan Giants play their matches at the Camp Nou in Barcelona. It has a capacity of 99,354, which makes it the largest in Spain as well as in Europe. It was opened in 1957, before which they played at the Camp de les Corts. Getafe CF. They play at the Coliseum Alfonso Perez in Getafe, Madrid. It has a capacity of 17,393. It was opened in 1998. The Estadio de las Margaritas was the residence of the club prior to 1998. Granada CF. They play their matches at the Nuevo Los Carmenes in Granada. It has a capacity of 19,336. It was ready before the 1995-96 season, before which they played at the Estadio Los Carmenes. Levante UD. The club plays their home games at the Ciutat de Valencia. It has a capacity of 26,354 and was opened in 1969. RCD Espanyol. They play their home games at the 40,000 capacity RCDE Stadium in Barcelona, formerly known as the Powerade Stadium. It was opened in 2009, prior to which the club played at the Estadio Olímpic Ruiz. RCD Mallorca. They play their home games at the San Moix in Palma, which has a capacity of 24,262. It was ready to host matches in 1999. Real Betis. The Los Verdiblancos play their home matches at the Benito Villamarín in Sevilla. It has a capacity of 60,721 and has been hosting matches since 1929. Real Madrid CF. The Los Blancos play their games at the Santiago Bernabeu, named after one of their legendary chairmen. It has a capacity of 81,044. It was opened in 1947 and before that the club played at the Estadio Chamartín. Real Sociedad. They play their games at the Anoeta Stadium also known as the Real Stadium due to sponsorship deals. It has a capacity of 39,500 and was built in 1993. Real Valladolid. They play their matches at the Nuevo José Zorrilla in Valladolid. It was built in 1982 with a capacity of 28,012. Before that, they played at the Estadio José Zorrilla. SD Eibar. The Los Armeros play their home matches at the Ipurua in Eibar. It has a capacity of 8,164, which makes it the smallest stadium in La Liga. Sevilla FC. The club plays their matches at the Ramon Sanchez Pizjuan in Sevilla. It has a capacity of 43,883. It was opened in 1958, before which they played at the Estadio de Nervión. Valencia CF. The club currently plays at the Mestalla in Valencia. It has a capacity of 55,000. It was opened in 1916. The club has the Nou Mestalla under construction to replace its current stadium. Villarreal CF. The club plays their matches at the Estadio de la Ceramica, also known as El Madrigal. The 24,890-seater arena was opened in 1923. That's the video, guys. Hope you have enjoyed it. Write down your suggestions and opinions in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And for now, goodbye.